gonna be a good day. Play a game. Don't go AFK, LOL. It's time to laugh and shout. If you're feeling really wacky, let's get wacky now and shout out. Yippee, yippee, yi-yi-yi-yi-yi. And let's dance and let's play and let's have fun the right way. Yippee, yippee, yi-yi-yi-yi-yi. Yippee, yippee, yi-yi-yi-yi-yi.
Hello guys, my name is Ruby and today I'm at the kids school. It's because I'm a kid and I can't wait to draw. Let me just get it. Let me get the paintbrush. I don't know why. Anyways, I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw a beautiful garden that we have in our house. Hee 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 hee. Love it. Now, let's draw the sky. Kids, okay? Huh? Why didn't it let me draw? Oh. This is not the masterpiece that I want to. It's all ruined. Okay. Anyways, draw with Ruby's world. Draw with me. Draw with Ruby here. Your favorite character, Ruby. Oh, I can draw with that. Yes. Okay, anyway, I'm going to draw. Okay, I don't need to mess up all of it. Oh, wow. Perfecto. Why am I... Do you know my mom speaks Spanish? Yes. Wow. Why isn't it letting me paint? Why isn't it letting me paint? Just draw the sky. There we go. This needs to go in the trash. Let me get it for Ruby. Yeah. Oh my god. This is the messiest drawing ever. Okay, now let's draw the sky. This is our backyard. Now, let's draw flowers. Wait, let me draw the sun. Is it with yellow paint? Okay. This is a masterpiece. This is a masterpiece. This is the best masterpiece. Yay! This is the best masterpiece. Excuse me? Yeah? Can you send Ruby to the office? Sure. Did I do something wrong? Or maybe I did something wrong. Let me just get it for Jason. Hello guys, my name is Jason. Welcome to Jason's World. Today, we're going to play the music class. Anyways, I'm playing the piano. And Ryan is gonna play the trumpets. And my friends are gonna play the instruments. And Lisa's gonna play with the triangles. Anyway, let's start singing now. La 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 la. La 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 la. This is kind of boring, Ryan and Jason. Gonna play the saxophone, the recorder. Excuse me? What? Can you send Jason to the office? Okay. But, okay, I'm just gonna get Lucas. Sorry, guys. I need to go now. I need to wait. Okay. Bye. I think I am alone now. Excuse me? Can you send Lucas to the office? Am I doing something wrong? Well, you're not doing actually something wrong, but your mom's here. Okay. Hello, Lucas. Hello. What do you have for class? I have music and I have art. Well, I'm just still at school, but I'm in the hallway now. I just got out from school. Come on. Okay. Get your hat, Jason. Okay, let's go. Hi, Lily, Polly. Hello. So what did my kids do today? Well, they didn't do something bad but they actually have a snowstorm. Snowstorm. Liam's gonna cry. Is gonna cry, and the kids are gonna cry. Well, you need to keep them safe. And wait, you just got candy for them? Yeah. Did you ask them? Yeah. Well, your kids is really good, but you need to get to the snowstorm. Why? Well, actually, it's the winter night, and you need to get the kids be safe. Okay. What? Mom's here? We just still playing. What? Hi, Mommy. Hi, Alicia. Hi, Sissy. Hi, sister. Do you know I actually changed my name to Alicia? Yeah. Oh my God, Mom's here. And you can't walk in that. And nah. So cold. So cold. Oh no, Chloe. Don't worry about Chloe, okay? Mama's here. Sophia, take care of baby Liam, okay? Don't cry, your mama's here. Your mom's here. Your mama's here. Mama! Mama! Hello, my wonderful children. Oh, Chloe seems sleepy. Okay, Chloe. Come on, everyone, let's go home. No, let's go grocery shopping. It's because we need to get ready for the thunderstorm, and you don't want to get hungry, okay? All right. Okay, everyone, let's go shopping. What is this, Mommy? It's a cart. Can we have candies, please? Please. Okay. Yay, candy! Candy! Candy. Okay. Candy! Okay, candies is. It is. Can we get a newspaper if we get bored? Okay. You need the Dogman book, Lucas. We're gonna read it to everybody when it's cozy time. Okay. Can I take 2 books? Okay. Anyways, can we have ice cream? Okay. Ice cream. No, don't eat it, Lucas. Lucas, you're going to mess up for everybody. What? Mess up for everybody? We need some water just in case. Lucas, what do we need now? I don't know. We need, like... Can I see what's going on here? What's here? Yeah. We need actually a camera. Okay. Camera it is. We need lots of water too. That's perfect, Lucas. Can we get those? Yeah. We need actually a camera for the thunderstorm, for recording it. Okay. Okay, Mommy, we're done. Okay, Mama. Oh, Lucas, that's a lot. Okay. You needs. We have lots of food at home, so we don't need a lot of food. Okay. Someone actually forgive me. Oh my God. Okay, your total is $8. Great than the last part. Come on. Come on, everyone. Finally, it's time to go home. Mommy, can I put my shoes on, my slippers? Sure, Jason. I'm gonna put it right here. Don't go near windows. Okay. Gonna play my new toy. Okay, Sophia. You can actually wear your slippers. Okay. And Chloe has one too, so yeah. Okay. Since now you can go upstairs, I need to change Liam's diaper. Okay. Oh no, the kids are crying. Hey Lily, do you know there's the thunderstorm coming today? The snowstorm. Oh no, the kids are crying. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. You're not even that small, bro. Well, do you know there's a snowstorm? Let's record it. Record. Boom. See? Really? Oh my god, there's a snowstorm. Let's keep it. Yeah, let's keep it. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of long. Hope you enjoyed the video.